In this video, I will show you how you can turn off automatic updates on any iPad. Now there are two methods to do so. For the first method, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just tap on Automatic Updates. Install automatically has been enabled, just turn it off. And also turn off automatic download and automatically install. And after you do that, you will turn off the automatic software update on your iPad. But if you want to turn off the automatic updates for the apps on your iPad, for that just go back to settings, but this time just tap on apps. From this app list, just tap on App Store. And from here, just look for the option for app updates. If this option is enabled, just turn it off. And after you turn off this toggle, the apps on your iPad will not update automatically. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.